Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. Coming back to the questions, we are solving case-based study since many days. So one more case-based study question from chapter number 12, areas related to circle, that is the term 1 chapter, right? So let's get started. Question is, a brooch is a small piece of jewelry which has a pin at the back, so it can be fastened on a dress, blouse or coat. Designs of some brooch are shown below. Observe them carefully. You can see ABC designs are given. Design A is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 28 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 28 millimeter. So this we can say 28 millimeter. The wire used for making four diameters. Okay, you can see four diameters are made. Okay, which divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So 8 equal parts circle has been divided into. And design B, you can see it is made of two colors, gold and silver. Outer part is made with gold and circumference of silver part is 44. Okay, circumference is given. Okay, this length is given 44 and gold part is 3 millimeter wide. So its width is given 3 millimeter. Okay, now we'll solve questions. We'll see which all type of questions have been asked. Refer to design A. Refer design A is given. Total length of silver wire required is. Now see in design A, four diameters are made. Okay, along with the boundary of this circle. So diameter is given as diameter is 28 millimeter. Okay, so four diameters will be 4 into 28. We can multiply and get the answer 112 millimeter. Okay, this is just for inner diameters. Now to find the length, silver length, brooch length, that means we need to find circumference. Okay, circumference of the circle, that can be found by using 2 pi r formula. Pi will be 22 by 7. What will be r here? Diameter is 28 given. Okay, 28 diameter is 28. So r will be clearly 28 by 2, that is 14. So this is 14. So if we cancel this, it will go 88 millimeter will be the answer. But total length of the silver wire means 4 diameters plus circumference 112 plus 88. So that will give 200 millimeter. Okay, so B option is correct option. Question number 2, area of each sector of the brooch. Now in the design A, we have to refer design A only. In each diameter means four diameters, divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, so now see one sector area we can find by our sector formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. R is 14 and theta, to know theta, the whole complete circle is 360. Okay, and divide by how many parts? Equal parts 8. So by using this formula, what is the formula? Complete circle or complete angle divide by number of equal parts. This will give the central angle. Okay, so central angle can be found by using this formula, that is 360 by 8. Okay, so this will go 45 degree is the answer. So area of sector we can find by using this formula where theta is 45, r is 14. Or otherwise, one more method is there. This is method 1. Okay, one more method. Since whole circle is divided into 8 equal parts, so area of one sector will be 1 by 8th part of whole area. So this way also you can find. So here no need to find a central angle and all those things, right? So it will save your time. So you can find one by using this formula. 22 by 7, r is 14 into 14. Okay, so cancellation if we do here, 7 2s are 14, 2 4s are 8. Here also we can cancel, and 2 11s are. So 11 into 7 will remain, which give answer as 77 millimeter square. Okay, so this formula can be used. Suppose circle is divided into 10 equal parts, so area of one sector will be 1 by 10 of pi r square. Similarly you can use 1 by n. Okay, generalized formula will be 1 by n pi r square, where n value is number of equal sectors, we can say. Circle is, one circle is divided into. Okay, so this way it will come easily. So our option C is correct option. Now question number 3, we have to refer design B. So what all informations are given for design B, we will recall here. This is the design B. Okay, outer part is gold part, inner part is silver part. Circumference of this is given 44. So circumference of outer part is asked. Achha, this width is given to us 3 millimeter. So if we find the radius of silver part and we add the width, we can find radius of gold part, isn't it? So to find the radius of the smaller part, circumference is given to us. Okay, so circumference of silver part will be suppose 2 pi r1. Okay, r1 I am taking for silver. R1 is radius of silver part, R2 radius of gold part, suppose. So this is given 44. We can find, we can write all these values. So 222 44 will go directly R1, sorry. R1 will be 7 millimeter. So tell me what will be R2 then? This is 7. If we add width is given, hai na? Width of the gold part is given 3. If we add R1 and 3, we'll get R2, right? So that means 10 millimeter is the radius of gold part. So we can find circumference of gold part now. That will be 2 pi r2. So 2 into 22 by 7, and r2 is 10. Okay, so this can be, we can cancel here these all things. From 7, if we cancel 7 ones are, then 3 will remain. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 2 will remain, 7 2s are 14. So we are left with 2 into 22 into 1.42, that is 44.1.42. This can be multiplied, because multiplying with same number of digit will be easy. We have to multiply once. So this will be 568. Okay, then again 4 you need to multiply with 4, so you copy these numbers, that's it. So 62.48. So 62.48, 62 is given. So somewhere I have done mistake here, maybe. Let me check that. Okay, see actually here if we take 3-digit number, okay, so 8 will come. Then if we write these, it will come 1.43. So 1.43 into 44 if we do, we will get 62 point more, 48 won't come. So we will stick with this D option. Anyway, 62 we are getting, right? And all the numbers, all the options are not close enough. Suppose if we get 62.86, 62.48, then it will be, means you have to find very specifically. Here we can write 62.48. Okay, so D option can be the correct option. Question number 4 is difference of areas of golden and silver part. Now if you see, all the options are in pi. So we won't find here pi value. We won't substitute pi value. So difference of areas means area of golden part means area of silver part, right? So this will be pi r2 square, pi r1 square. Pi you can take common. R2 square means 10 square. This will be, this we have found as 7 square. Now this can be found by identity. 10 minus 7, 10 plus 7. So this will be 3, 17. So 51 pi. 51 pi is option number C. So C answer is correct. So without solving, without finding a square, you can find using identity. Okay, this will save your time. Now last question of the case study. A boy is playing with brooch B. He makes revolution with it along its edge. How many complete revolutions must it take to cover 80 pi millimeter? So number of revolution, if you remember, number of revolution is total distance divided by uh, distance in one revolution, isn't it? Distance in one revolution. So total distance is given 80 pi. Distance in one revolution will be the circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference. So circumference of the gold part will be enough, है ना? Because that is outer boundary. If you roll the circle on the path, okay, so only outer part will remove. That means using radius 10, we should find the circumference, which is 20 pi. Okay, 2 pi r we got as 10, right? So 20 pi will be the answer. So pi will get cancelled, 0 0 also. So number of revolutions will be 4, which is C option. I hope you understood this case study question. All the best. Thank you.